Hi, I'm Andreas Prins, CEO at StackState. When I was leading development and operations teams a few years ago, the application monitoring practice was centered around dashboards. With new observability solutions emerging constantly, this has barely changed, and we wonder why this hasn't changed. A more important question is why are businesses still facing challenges in application reliability? And why do development teams have a hard time remediating issues quickly? In a crowded market, many vendors offer observability solutions. Let me share how StackState stands out in delivering exceptional outcomes for our customers. Our customers, including major banks like Akbank, Danske Bank or Rabobank, insurers like Nationale-Nederlanden, and crucial infrastructure operators from railroads to telecom, trust StackState for two main reasons. First, they meet their service level agreements for the user experience by providing reliable applications. And secondly, to empower their development teams with a modern observability solution. StackState originated from a 2014 consulting project for a global bank, facing challenges in application performance. The main issue? There was a lot of data, but it was all siloed, without a meaningful understanding. And even when it was integrated into a single, clean dataset, it still wasn't very useful. The key insight was the need for a unifying context to analyze IT environments effectively. StackState's solution is a revolutionary approach for organizing the data. Our proprietary time series graph database isn't just a database. It is the brain behind connecting different datasets into a cohesive, dynamic IT environment. And that was what was really needed to make sense of all the telemetry data that comes from each of these components. Topology and the way it changes from second to second, they realized, was the giant blind spot with the existing monitoring and observability tools in the market. At StackState, we envision a world where IT complexities are no longer a barrier, but are a catalyst for innovation and growth. Imagine, if you will, a world where IT incidents are resolved not in hours, but in minutes. That is the world StackState is creating. Let's go fast forward. StackState has built a modern platform featuring a time series graph database that tracks large-scale, fast-changing IT environments. This data fabric is at the heart of our solution. It combines dependency data with metrics, event, logs, and change information. And all of this is stored over time. Our customers can visualize their entire environment in one dynamic dependency map. And that gives a 360 view of what's actually going on in production. This is what our customers do with StackState. First, they can understand and navigate every dependency in their IT environment and see past and present. And with this, there is no more bouncing between tools. You can easily replace 5 open source tools with our single platform. Secondly, with StackState, you can uncover and remediate issues in minutes. And that is important before they impact your customer. In the time it takes to watch this video, your developers and platform engineers could have found and fixed issues without worrying about impact on the customer. And third, you can boost observability skills across all your teams with the baked-in guidance and expertise StackState provides. You can define observability best practices once and then apply them universally across all your teams in your company. Our pre-configured monitors accurately detect, and our remediation guides drive resolution time down to minutes. Whether you have a traditional on-prem, hybrid, or cloud-native architecture, a modern observability platform is the key to extract actionable insights from all the telemetry that your system generates, in order to improve customer satisfaction and lower the burden on your platform and development team. Hey, but don't just take my word for it. See why StackState is highly rated on G2, with reviews from our customers and users who have experienced firsthand how StackState elevates their operational efficiency. Thank you for considering StackState. Simply better observability to easily navigate today's complex systems.